Jaipur, located at the heart of Rajasthan, a city always celebrated for its glorious past and marvelous architecture. However, as the city rapidly evolves into a modern metropolis with its growing urban population, this progress brings both new opportunities and significant challenges. Jaipur produces over 2,000 metric tons of solid waste and 400 million liters of liquid waste daily.
आसपास यहाँ किसान हैं जो सब्जियाँ वगैरह खेतों में उगाते हैं, तो नॉर्मल सीवेज पानी जो आता था उसी को एग्रीकल्चर पर्पस यूज़ करते थे।
रिवाइज्ड एनजीटी के नॉर्म्स को कंप्लाई करने के लिए हमें उसकी टेक्नोलॉजी को बदलना पड़ा। इसमें हमने दो पुरानी जो यूनिट थी हमारी, जिनकी कैपेसिटी 62.5 mld थी और वो एएसपी टेक्नोलॉजी पे बनी हुई थी, उनको हमने अपग्रेड किया है इसमें, और एक नई 90 mld कैपेसिटी की नई यूनिट को हमने लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी पर कंस्ट्रक्ट किया है।
The upgradation of Delavas STP by Jaipur Nagar Nigam not only ensures scientific processing and disposal of used water, but also demonstrate circular economy principles. This initiative is supported by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs under the Atal Mission of Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation, also known as AMRUT, and with funding of $1.4 million under Sustainable Cities Integrated Approach Pilot from the Global Environment Facility. Being implemented by United Nations Industrial Development Organization. As part of this project, two existing sewage treatment units, 62.5 mld capacity, have been upgraded with advanced technology, while a new 90 mld unit has been constructed using modern, efficient systems. The Delavas STP project plays a crucial role in strengthening Jaipur's wastewater management, ensuring it is effective, sustainable, and fully compliant with national regulations.
जिसमें हम ट्रीट करके पानी छोड़ते हैं, पास में है वो द्रव्यवती रिवर, तो वो आगे जा करके किसान उसको पंप करके अपने खेतों में यूज़ करते हैं। तो अब वो पानी अच्छा है तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है कि ये उनकी खेती के लिए भी अच्छा है और हेल्थ के लिए भी अच्छा है।
The STP is designed to produce around 70% of its energy requirements on site, as sewage sludge after treatment in STP is further processed to generate biogas. The plant's ability to generate energy through biogas is not only used to power the facility, but is also filtered, bottled, and sold for industrial use through a public-private partnership model at an adjoining facility. This model reduces the plant's reliance on external energy sources and contributes to the local circular economy. Revenues generated from biogas sales are reinvested into the maintenance and scaling of the facility's operations.
उसका हम यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे अपनी कंपनियां हैं फर्नेस वगैरह में यूज़ करते हैं, जो इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया में जाता है और उससे हमें रेवेन्यू जनरेट हो रहा है।
This creates a steady revenue stream that supports the project's sustainability, making Delavas not just an environmental initiative, but a self-sustaining economic one. The Delavas sewage treatment plant project is more than just an infrastructure upgrade. It's a vital step toward a sustainable future for Jaipur. By tackling the challenges of urbanization head-on, this project ensures that clean water flows through our city today and for years to come.